Hello designers, in this video I am going to teach you how to make this type of thumbnail in Photoshop. First, create a document of this size and hit create. Now import your PNGs into different document. Let's make a background. Right click on mouse and convert this image into smart object. Then drag this into main document and adjust it. Now add an exposure layer and clip with it. Then reduce exposure. Let's remove background of this subject. First, convert this into smart object. Here, I use pen tool to remove background. First, click this icon and change this to path. Now, make a path around it like this. Here, you have to make path outside hairy areas. We will remove it later. After connecting all dots, hit Ctrl Enter on keyboard to make selection. Then click on selection tool and click on selection mask to refine it. Now use this brush and make hardness 0. Selecting plus icon, brush these white areas like this. After removing white areas, select this option and click OK. Here comes the final part. Now hold Alt on keyboard and click this mask to enable this layer. Now take a brush with white color and change this mode to overlay and paint on hairy areas. Again hold Alt and click this mask to go back. Now convert this into smart object and drag this into our main document and adjust it. Let's make this face smooth. First, duplicate this image and clip it. And add a camera raw filter. Now, reduce texture to -93 and luminance to 48 and hit OK. Here you can see the difference. Now, add a mask and inverse it by holding Ctrl plus I. Now, take a brush with white color and change blending mode to normal. Then paint on skin areas only. Here you can see the difference. Now we add a curves layer and clip it. Then drag this down to reduce light. Now give name to it and invert its marks. Then using brush, paint on hair and beard to make them darker. It's called dodge and burn. Here you can see the difference. Again do same and add brightness using curves. Then make a highlight like this. Here you can see the difference. Now make a group of all these layers and give a name. Then copy this group and hide one layer for future use. Now make a smart object of one group like this. Let's change the t-shirt color. For that, click on adjustment and create solid layer. Then choose a yellow color and change blending mode to color 1. Now inverse mask and paint with white color on t-shirt to change color. Now drag and drop this money icon on main document and adjust its size and position. Then copy and cover front and back of the subject like this. Now Hold Ctrl and click on each layer to select. Then hit Ctrl T to group. Again, group money in front of subject like this. Now we have to change this money color to green. For that, click on adjustment and create a hue saturation layer and clip it below money group. Then tick colorize and adjust hue saturation for perfect color. Now hold down on keyboard and drag this layer below to make duplicate and hit clip to add effect on money group. Let's drag this Shopify icon and adjust behind the subject layer. Now we want this. For that, I choose this image. Let's cut this hand area using pen tool. Now drag and drop this to our document. Drag this layer on top and adjust its size using Ctrl T. Click right button and click flip horizontal, then adjust again. Now drag this product PNG and adjust size in phone screen. Then add a guardian bar to it. Here I add this text. Here background is also green, so we have to create contrast between them. Simply create a blue solid color layer in front of background and change blending mode to hue. Then add blank layer and add this color. Now change this blending mode to linear dodge and make a background like this. Let's add a main text of this font and size and drag it below the subject layer. Then double click on layer and open layer style and add gradient overlay of these two color. Here you can copy this color code and settings. Now add drop shadow of this color and setting. At last, make a merge layer like this and add camera raw filter. Here your thumbnail is ready to show. Thanks for watching.